Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Saturday and we're basically spending the day together. We're planning on, or I'm planning on going to visit my sister who lives in Pretoria. She's currently doing her second year in uni, so that's that. And we have like a couple of errands to run. But do stay tuned, subscribe, because I'm going to definitely be doing a Q&A with her that I'll be uploading in my next video. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get ready and let's go. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for the car to heat up, then I go. Go pick. Okay, go. Hello. John. Oh, hi guys, so we are done. Now we are just going to the car and yeah, we look for food. I think we're gonna get Burger King, and then I have a video idea I want us to do. Like I said earlier on, I think it would be nice doing it whilst we are eating. So yeah. See you then. So we're currently looking for the food court. Am I not tired of walking? fam, so basically so we've basically come to the end of the video. After that grocery haul, we did a mukbang light or lit right, where we did a Q&A of how Wimbai's first year at university was. So please do stay tuned because that is going to be dropped right after this video, maybe a day apart. Thank you guys for watching. Right now we're just gonna chill. That's the rest of our day. Please do hit the like button. Please do leave your comments down below. It helps the video go far. And please ring the bell so that you get notified when the next video gets dropped or when my future videos come through. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.